guys, and Happy New Year. It is New Year's Eve and I'm at home because I don't normally go out on New Year's Eve, and I am home alone. So one of my sons is working, my husband is working, and my youngest son is at a Dungeons and Dragons New Year's Eve party. So at some friends of ours. So with his D&D group, and then my middle son, when he gets done from work, he's gonna drive over there and then stay till about midnight. But I thought I'd get on here and show you a few ways that I save money on my embellishments. I know I haven't made a video in a while. I've been super busy with school, and I am on Christmas break right now from school, but school resumes on Tuesday. So I wanted to get up a couple of videos before we left on vacation. We're going on like a 3-day vacation to my parents that live about 6 hours from here. And we're just going to spend a few days with them since we didn't see them over the holidays. And we're going to do Christmas with them and stuff when we're visiting them. And we're leaving early in the morning. So tomorrow morning. So we are packed, or most of us are packed anyways. I think my husband has to finish packing when he gets home from work. But anyways, so I was in here because I really want to like give myself a full break from school. I could be working on schoolwork, but I don't have anything due until next Friday. So, yeah, so I decided that I am going to take a little bit of break. I spent 2 days completing the foundation pages of my December daily. I don't have the pictures developed yet. I need to take my phone into Walmart and have them printed, and then I'll just insert my pictures into the already finished pages. And one thing that I did that was really helpful for me, generally I do my December daily this way, but I will create my December daily after a good portion of the month is done, and then I journal every day a little bit, just kind of what we did and little highlights here and there that I might want to put as journaling. And then I also, in my planner, I kind of write down, like, I'm pretty thorough with the things that are going on every day in my planner. So then when I was creating my December daily, it was easy for me. I just had my planner open and I looked at the day and saw what we did that day. And then I kind of created each page in conjunction with that day in my planner. So then I know, since I took pictures every single day during the month of December, I know what photos are going to go on what pages. And it really was a pretty fast process. I spent 2 whole days creating the foundation pages of my December daily, and I limited myself to just one of my Christmas boxes. I kind of hate to show you how messy my office is right now, but I'm going to show you. I have these things here. This whole thing right here is Christmas. So I just took the top one and I limited myself to what was in the top one, and I didn't even get into the other bins. So I'm just kind of trying to work my way through there. This whole stack here is all fall. I don't know if you remember from when I was like, I did a office tour, but I think I showed you those then. So, but yeah, kind of got a mess going on in here. But, you know, I've got like wrapping paper and stuff, and I hate to show you this. That's pretty bad. But you know what? It's my office, and it's kind of a hoarding mess, but eventually it'll get done. So anyway, I wanted to show you that. And this all came tumbling down on me. I had them vertically filed, all came tumbling down on me today. So I just decided to put them horizontally for now. And I went through all my scrap paper too. So these are all scraps left over from my December daily and different things that I just want to use up first. So anyway, now that I'm done chatting or jibber jabbering or whatever I'm doing, I kind of wanted to show you the 3 things that I do all the time, consistently throughout the year to save money. One of the things is these planner sheets that come in the Create 365 planner. They're stickers. I don't use for my planner generally. I mean, it looks like I've used some of them, which I do, but the majority of them, I will use this 3D crystal lacquer, and it's from Sakura, or I will use this liquid glass, and that's from Close to My Heart. But they're both 3-dimensional, and what I do is I put it on top of the stickers, and then when it dries clear, and what it does is it creates enamel dots. So I create my own enamel dots that way. And so I have some going here. Now this is going to take more than like 24 hours to dry. So I just lay it up here and I let it dry. I have some more drying right here. So I just cut that portion out of my planner stickers since I don't use them for planning. And then I just put that stuff on it, and it's just kind of like frosting a cake a little bit. Usually the circles, I'll go around the circle and then fill in the top, and then like the stars, I'll just do the star thing, you know, like this with that, and it fills in. So that's pretty much it. And yeah, either one of these, I'm pretty sure you can get them on eBay or Amazon, or like the Sakura brand, I think Hobby Lobby sells. Close to My Heart, you'll have to get through a distributor. But both work really well. So that's one way I save money on enamel dots. Another thing that I do is I take the backing off of my, when I'm done with the sticker sheet, these are still really good for like little banners and things like that. So I just cut around the edge, and since they're decorative, I just want to use them up and I don't want to waste them. So what I'll do is I'll just cut around the outline of these, but I just stick it on white cardstock generally because that gives a good foundation for like cluster, like the foundational portion of your cluster for journaling or different things like that. So, and then also you can spray these with like spray mist. If you've got like the glitter mist or whatever, you can sprinkle it on there. You can do all kinds of stuff, really cool stuff with it. So that's another way. This is basil, just the basil marshmallow, I think it is. And I just stuck a full sheet on that. And then I do it with my planner ones too. When I'm done with the sticker sheet of the planner stickers in my planner, because I use these in my planner, then what I do is I just stick them on the white basil paper, and then I cut it around the outline. And then I have all these different shapes that I can use with the pretty border around it. And then the third way that I save money is when I get one of these, like paper pads, one of these 6x6 ones. Usually the top cover is like, this just is, you know, the advertising cover of the paper pads. What I do is I cut them apart, all these little pieces, and then I make little banner flags with them. And then I have embellishments with those too. And I do this consistently. I have quite a few here right now. And then like the bigger portions, like the back, I'll just cut out a big rectangle. And I can use it as a card. You know how I have these cards for like pocket pages? I can like make it the same size as a pocket page card. But those are ways that I save money through scrapbooking. A few ways. I can't really think of any other ways right now. There are many ways that I save money for my scrapbooking habit. So I guess it's a habit. I don't consider it a habit, or I guess it's a, what do you call it? It's a craft. Hobby. It's a hobby. Oh my goodness. I haven't even had any alcohol, I promise. So I'm a teetotaler tonight. But this is kind of what I am working on right now. So now that once I get all this done, I kind of sorted through. These are just some embellishments that I want to use up. I kind of just put them in this little box. I'm going to cut these up. I'm going to cut these up, put them in there, try to use up the scrap paper, and then I'm going to try to use up all these. These are like half sheets and, you know, the longer sheets. And I'm going to try to use these up first before I go and start any new paper pads. So, but I wish you all a happy new year, and I hope everything's going good for you. I just thought I'd stop in and touch base with y'all. And yeah, I hope you have a really fun, scrappy year. Right now I don't know what direction anything is going in as far as like this channel. It's just for fun and when I feel like it, because school is my priority. So that and getting the boys educated and all that jazz. And I'm still working out every single day at 5 a.m. Or I shouldn't say 5 a.m. 6 a.m. 6 a.m. I get up at 5 and then get ready, and then my friend and I, we've been meeting at a local gym to walk every day for about an hour before she has to go to work. And then Monday, Wednesday, and Friday I still go to cardiac rehab and do that for an hour and a half to 2 hours. So still do that and love going there. I don't see myself stopping anytime soon because I love the people there so much. They're just so wonderful. I just love it there. So, but anyways, I hope you have a good year. I'm not making any resolutions this year at all. Last year I was so optimistic that it was going to be a great year, and it was a really shitty year. So I'm not making absolutely any resolutions. I'm going to start where I'm at and see where it goes. Every day is like a gift. Just open it up and see what happens, good or bad. So I don't know. So anyway, this is kind of my overview. I did get a new addition to my collection. So I got the Downton Abbey set for Christmas. It came with a bell. So that's kind of cool. So, yeah. And I also got a Minnie Mouse Lego figure from, to go up here, but it's actually still in the living room. It's a, what is it? Steamboat Willie Minnie Mouse. So, and you can see our Christmas lights still outside on our house. So, we haven't taken them down. I don't think that we'll undecorate until after we get back from our trip tomorrow. So should be back Friday at, I don't know, 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So that's like 3 days without exercising. What am I gonna do with myself? I can always walk at my Aunt Verna's. We're staying at my Aunt Verna's, and she's got a really super long driveway. So I think probably every morning I'll take a 2.5 mile hike around her lake and exercise that way. Otherwise, I'm going to be in a world of hurt on Saturday because I know Katie's going to want to walk on Saturday. And I'm not even going to cardiac rehab on Friday because we'll be traveling home. So I think, I don't know what I'm going to do Friday. I don't know. I may have to do something at home or open up the treadmill at home. I haven't used our treadmill at home in forever. So I think there's something wrong with it. It's loud. It's really loud. But I don't know. But anyway, so I don't want this video to be too long, but I wish you a Happy New Year, like I said, for the 100th time. And yeah, hope to see you back here. Bye.